Hello everyone, a warm welcome from England. Behind me is a 19th century building which we are now converting into a residential block of apartments. And I'm here to share with you my top 5 reasons for investing here in the UK. But first, let's have the intro. The fundamental question is, why United Kingdom? Why did I come to the UK to build my property portfolio? Wouldn't it be easy and convenient if I were to invest in an area where I live? Well, up until 2014, this is the way I used to think as well, like most property investors. Identify an area which is within 10 to 15-mile radius of where you live. Look for a property that will fit your budget. And finally, figure out whether it will make sense to invest for rental income or for capital appreciation. Therefore, the order of preference for most property investors is area comes first, property comes next, and finally figuring out the strategy. However, successful property investors focus on strategy first. That is, they look to identify whether they are investing for rental income or for capital growth. Accordingly, they'll go and identify an area where that strategy fits. My primary objective to invest in property remains to create passive income through rental income streams. However, the challenge was the rental income versus the capital that was required in my area was not stacking up for me. Therefore, I had to expand my search. And as I kept expanding my search area beyond cities and across borders, I found the UK to be the ideal investment destination for investors seeking yield based strategy. Here are my top 5 reasons for investing in the UK. Number one is the possibility to earn a substantially high rental income on property investment. Our focus area is the West Midlands, between Liverpool, Manchester up to West Yorkshire. How does it help to have a high yield? It places us investors in a perfect position to apply leverage and gear up our investment. Which brings us to point number 2, relatively low interest rates. Having a yield that is high enough and interest rates that are significantly low allows investors to successfully apply leverage. In other words, investors can target to make positive cash flow after paying for costs such as maintenance, management fees, and mortgage payments. Number 3 is the established laws and conveyancing systems. Being overseas investors, it is important for us to get comfortable with the rules, regulations, and the laws of the land so that we can have absolute peace of mind after investing a substantial amount abroad. The UK property market is very well regulated, which installs confidence in investors to plan and invest long term. Number 4 is the demand and supply equation. The UK has seen a robust growth in its population, while at the same time it lagged behind in supplying enough new homes. This mismatch presents a good opportunity for property investors to contribute to the local housing stock and work with local authorities and housing associations to provide homes for the ones in need. To give you a little more perspective on this, I will share the National Housing Stats release in the description below. Coming to number 5. So if there is so much demand, why aren't the developers flocking to the UK to build mega structures? Wouldn't the demand for my asset fall should there be an oversupply? The challenge is the UK is serious about protecting its green fields, thereby not able to allocate sufficient space to develop new homes fast enough. On the other hand, the town centers are heritage protected sites and falls under conservation areas where they are looking to retain the envelope of the town. Therefore, as an investor, I am rest assured that the demand for my asset will continue to remain so long as I provide quality and sensible housing stock. So those are my top 5 reasons for investing in the UK. I'll be interested to know what you think. Do leave your comments below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the icon on the bottom right of your screen. This way you'll be instantly notified the minute we upload our next video. Thanks for watching.